study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.
Ready to practice your English? Here's how to get the most out of this video. Step 1. Find a quiet place and focus. Step 2. Watch the sentence, listen carefully. Step 3. Repeat out loud with confidence. The video if you want more practice. The more you repeat, the better your English gets. Let's do it together.
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is underscore underscore underscore. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm under 3 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Where do you live? I live in New York. How's it going? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work from home. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I go to school. I work all day. I cook dinner. I clean the house. I do the laundry. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed. I sleep at 10. I drink water. I make coffee. I write emails. I listen to music. How much is this? It's too expensive. That's cheap. I want to buy this. I need a receipt. Do you take card? I'm just looking. Can I try it on? I don't like it. I love it. Can I help you? I'm looking for a shirt. Do you have this in medium? Where is the fitting room? This is my size. That's a good price. I'll take it. I don't want it. I forgot my wallet. I'll pay in cash. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's eat. What's for lunch? I like pizza. I don't like fish. Can I see the menu? I'll have the chicken. I'm full. That was delicious. I want coffee. No sugar, please. Can I have some water? This is spicy. This is sweet. The food is cold. I need a fork. I need a napkin. Can I get the bill? Let's cook dinner. What is this? Who is that? Where is the bathroom? When do you work? Why are you late? How do you say this? Can you help me? What does it mean? Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I don't know. I think so. I'm not sure. Could you repeat that? Can you speak slowly? Say it again, please. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Is everything okay? I need a taxi. Where is the bus stop? How do I get to the airport? Is this seat taken? How long does it take? What time does the train leave? This is my stop. I'm lost. Can you show me on the map? I need directions. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Stop here, please. I missed the bus. The train is late. I have a ticket. Where can I buy a ticket? I want to go downtown. How far is it? I don't feel well. I'm sick. I have a headache. I have a fever. I need a doctor. It hurts here. I feel dizzy. I'm allergic to nuts. Call an ambulance. Is there a pharmacy nearby? I need medicine. Can I lie down? Do you have aspirin? I cut my finger. I have a cold. I'm feeling better. Take a deep breath. You need rest. Drink more water. It's an emergency. I have a reservation. I need a room. For how many nights? 1 night, please. I want a single room. Do you have Wi-Fi? What time is checkout? The room is too cold. The bed is comfortable. I lost my key. I need more towels. The shower doesn't work. Can I get a wake-up call? Where is the elevator? Is breakfast included? I want to cancel. Can I change rooms? I'll pay now. Thank you for everything. I enjoyed my stay. I love this song. Let's go out. I'm bored. I'm tired. I need a break. What's your favorite color? What's your phone number? Text me later. Let's meet tomorrow. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Congratulations. That's amazing. I'm so happy. I'm very busy. I'm free today. What's wrong? Nothing, I'm fine. See you later. Take care.
Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.